OpticsPlanet.com, your leading destination for gear, is on its next mission. Mission for the Mighty. Prominent industry brands have joined our mission to help give back through offering weeks' worth of exclusive deals and offers, with the added bonus of each purchase directly benefiting the Mighty, veterans, service members, and their families. Our support and commitment to our troops is unwavering. We extend our deepest appreciation to those who serve and protect us. We've made our goal $50,000 to be donated to Hope for the Warriors, a veteran service organization that provides assistance to combat wounded service members and their families. Exclusive to this event, we are offering limited edition swag kits, a bundle of exclusive souvenirs from top industry brands. 100% of the proceeds from each swag kit will be added to the final donation. In addition to receiving some of the best deals, purchasing from each of our partner brands will increase your donation. Get your gear, help support the Mighty. Make a purchase before September 30th, 2018 and help reach our donation goals of $50,000. Go to OpticsPlanet.com/missionmighty to take advantage of limited time deals and make your contribution today.